Assalamu alaikum class. And is there any question regarding last lecture?
No.
No.
Okay. So should I ask something? Okay, tell me what are digital tools?
Digital tools, they are programs or applications that help in making the job, our tasks easier.
Okay, good. And now Abdullah, tell me about the benefits of using digital tools.
Benefit of digital tool are like data structure, or we can do like a thumb drive and individual spreadsheet.
Okay. So how do we use digital tools in industries?
Use the digital tool in that's for website and application technology thing.
Okay, Zainab, tell me about the evolutions of social media.
Evolution of social media.
Yes. Means what is the need of social media? Why social media has been started, or where the idea has come from, and why, basically?
To make it is basically to make like communication available like worldwide, so that people can will find it easier to interact with other people.
Good. And Abdullah, now tell me about the leadership and management, or leadership and technology. What is the use or why we have started leadership and technology?
To help in that in to do our work in time.
Okay. Leadership basically wants, we want leadership because we need a motivation, and we want someone to hold our project or tell us that what to do, or are we doing in a right way or not. Okay. Okay, now you don't have any question regarding last lecture?
No.
Okay, now then we will start our today's lecture. So today our lecture, it is number 2, and our lecture is about understand the use of artificial intelligence in society. And here are the unit numbers and name. Explain the term artificial intelligence, how artificial intelligence is used, describe how artificial intelligence has benefited society, explain the concerns people have in relation to artificial intelligence, and explain how artificial intelligence could be used in future. Now, first of all, we will start with what is artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence is a field which combines computer science and robust data sets to enable problem solving. It also encompasses some subfields of machine learning and deep learning, which are frequently mentioned in conjunction with artificial intelligence. These disciplines are comprised of AI algorithms, which seeks to create expert systems which make predictions or classifications based on input data. Now, by its name, artificial intelligence, it's not a natural intelligence, it is artificial intelligence that has been made, that has been built, and yet it is intelligent also. Now, what can that thing be that is artificial? Means a man made thing, and it is also an intelligent thing. So, artificial intelligence is a field which combines computer science and the robust data sets that enable the problem solving techniques in that particular thing. You can take the example of robots. In future there will be robots who can feel the emotion, who can understand the problem, and who can predict the answer also. So basically that is for artificial intelligence is. Now AI is a concept that has been around formally since 1950s, when it was defined as a machine's ability to perform a task that would have previously required human intelligence. It cannot be equalized, it cannot be as equal as human intelligence, but we can compare it. This is quite a broad definition, and one that has been modified over decades of research and technological advancement. When you consider assigning intelligence to a machine, such as a computer, it makes sense to start by defining the term intelligence, especially when you want to determine if an artificial system is truly deserving of it or not. A level of intelligence sets us apart from other living beings and is essential to the human experience. Some experts define intelligence as the ability to adapt, solve problems, plan, improvise in new situations, and learn new things. With intelligence sometimes seen as the foundation of human experience, it perhaps no surprise that we would try and recreate it artificially in scientific endeavors. And today's AI system might demonstrate some traits of human intelligence, including learning, problem solving, perception, and even a limited spectrum of creativity and social intelligence. Now, for example, when we talk about something like we want to solve a problem. Now we will take an example of a calculator. We just have to input our things or tell them what to do. The final answer will come out, but there is no such artificial intelligence in that because they cannot feel the emotion or they cannot solve the problem on its own. But now, if we are adding just two number or subtracting two number, or we are just using one or two operands, that is normal. But what if we use a full sentence, like 6 multiplied with 12 and inner bracket, and then we are doing minus and we are doing plus in that. Basically, we are doing all arithmetic operations in one sentence. Now, if you see that if you use Demas rule, the answer will be different. Means divide, multiply, addition, and subtraction. But if you go through gradually, one by one, from the start, that whatever comes, for example, first will be the addition, that 6 plus 2 multiply by 4. So first, what will it do? It will do 6 plus 2. Then the answer will be multiplied by 4. And what the demands, and that answer will be changed. And what the Demas rule will do, no, first we have taken the example 6 plus 2 multiplied by 4, it will be 14. But what if we apply the Demas rule? What will it do? It will do 2 multiplied by 4 and then it will do plus 6. So the answer will be 34. So, no, not the 34, sorry. The answer was wrong. 6 plus 2 multiplied by 4. First, what will it do? It will do 4 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 4. That is 8. Then 8 plus 6. So that is the thing that calculator has imagined, that either that has to perform the Demas rule or from the starting by the operand wise. That is a intelligent thing to pick up. Now, how the calculator is being designed? Calculator is being designed by the Demas rule, so it will always follow the Demas rule. So basically, that is a very low level of intelligence that they are just calculating because we are giving them inputs. So what AI system do? AI system, there will be just, for example, weather forecast. That is a formation of AI, because the weather predict itself that what is the weather today or how it is gonna be. So now there are two types of AI, means artificial intelligence. First is strong AI versus weak AI. Now intelligence is tricky to define, which is why AI experts typically distinguish between strong AI and weak AI. Now, strong AI. What is strong AI? Strong AI means, also known as artificial general intelligence, is a machine that can solve problem it's never been trained to work on, much like a human can. This is the kind of AI we see in movies like robots, or this type of AI does not actually exist yet. Strong AI means a very powerful word that has been used. A strong AI, artificial general intelligence, who can think like human, who can work like human, or more than a human. Means human get exhausted when they work a lot, but they will not. That kind of we watch in movies, science-fi movies. If we watch, they made robots who can feel, who can sense, who can work on their own, who can talk. So but these type of ais hasn't been exist till now. And what is weak ai? Weak ai is sometimes referred to as narrow ai or specialized ai, operates within a limited context and is a simulation of a human intelligence applied to a narrowly defined problem, like driving a car, transcribing human speech, or creating content on a website, etc. So basically, there are some cars who just listen to the voice and work on its own. So that comes in weak AI. Then weak AI is often focused on performing a single task extremely well. While these machines may seem intelligent, they operate under far more constraints and limitations than even the most basic human intelligence. Now, do you know the difference between strong AI and weak AI? Do you have any questions regarding that?
No, miss.
Okay, now weak AI examples include like Siri, Alexa, or other like Google Smart Assistants, self-driving cars, Google Search, conversational bots, email spam filters, and Netflix recommendations. These all are the part of a weak AI examples. Now, how does AI work? Now, artificial intelligence is essentially software that can learn patterns from information. A machine cannot do anything without an information. So, AI systems are used to perform complex tasks in a way that is similar to how humans solve problems. Broadly speaking, artificially intelligent systems can perform tasks commonly associated with human cognitive function. Means human brain is included in artificial intelligence, and that is the very main point, because without a human brain or human creativity, AI wouldn't exist, such as interpreting speech, playing games, identifying patterns. They typically learn how to do so by processing massive amount of data, looking for pattern to model in their own decision making. Now, there are some points which will tell you about how AI is used. AI is used today across different industries from finance to healthcare. AI is used to make predictions in terms of weather, financial forecasting, to streamline production processes, and to cut down on various forms of redundant cognitive labor. AI is also used to play games, operate autonomous vehicles, process languages, and more. AI is used to provide personalized recommendations to people based on their previous searches and purchases or other online behavior. Now, for example, if you are searching something on Google, and that is a frequent thing that you search, that will automatically, or for example, I will say in on YouTube is the best example, or Instagram is the best example for that, news feeds. If you search something about for example cooking, there will be more cooking videos that will recommend, that software will recommend you, because that software has absorbed that thing, that what you have searched or what you have been searching a lot for a limited time. If you've been searching about some machinery, so it will, YouTube will frequently in your search notes, or when you'll open the your news feed, there will be more videos of that machinery or regarding that machinery. Then AI is used in web search, digital personal assistance, machine translation, smart homes, cities and infrastructure, and fighting disinformation. Now, how it work with smart homes? Because there are smart locks with voice locks, or smart devices. You can operate your home's system by just your voice, by listening to your voice. And AI enables a computer to think or act in a more human way by taking in information from its surrounding and deciding its response based on what it learns or senses. It now, as I like I talked about the Siri or the Google or Alexa. So they are example of a smart homes or a translators also, and your personal assistants who can work uh, as per your demand, or when you ask about something, it gives you a proper answer of that. Now, AI also enables a computer to think or act in more human way by taking information. For now, that also includes your Google search, or you can your YouTube search. That now computer think that what are you searching or what you want to see, so it will give you the newsfeed of that thing. Now there are four types of AI can be divided into four categories. Basically there are categories based on the type and complexity of the task a system is able to perform. They are reactive machines. Reactive machines means who react when you talk about something or when you do something, then how it will react. So, Abdullah, can you tell me about what I am talking about? What do you understand by reactive machine? Do you have any idea about that?
It means we reactive to our own machine.
Now, reactive AI is the most basic type of artificial intelligence, which is programmed to provide a predictable output based on the input it receives. Means it replies you or it gives you the output or the answer that you want. Now, reactive machine always respond the identical situation in exact same way every time, and they are not able to learn actions or conceive of past and future. Means what will be your input, the output will be based on that. So then now the second is limited memory. Now Zainab, can you tell me what do it mean by limited memory?
It means that the machine it um, it takes knowledge or it uses knowledge from what it has previously learned
Okay. Yes, kind of
or what
that.
is stored in it.
Yes, good. Now, limited memory AI learns from the past and builds experimental knowledge by observing actions or data. Means what you have searched or what you have done in the past. For example, we can take about if we are doing any business and we have made our previous month graph of profit or loss. Now, we want to compare it. Now we have a software that we will just enter it that we want to compare our previous profit and of this month profit. Now it will get that data also and that limited memory of just profit, not the whole details, and it will react according to that. Then number three is theory of mind. Now, what is the theory of mind? Now, theory of mind is want to hold a meaningful conversation with an emotionally intelligent robot that looks and sounds like real human being. That's on the horizon of with the theory of mind, theory of artificial intelligence mind. With this type of AI machines will acquire true decision making capabilities that are similar to humans. Machine with theory of mind will be able to understand and remember emotions, then adjust behavior based on those emotions as they interact with people. Basically, we are giving robots the sense of emotions and how they can react, they can decide it by their own. There will be no memory or no programs will be settled on that if someone is talking like that you have to respond like this. No, we are giving the opportunity, we are giving the sense of emotions to the robots. That is called the theory of mind. And then there is self awareness. Now the most advanced type of artificial intelligence is self awareness, when machines can be aware of their own emotions as well as the emotions around them of others. They will have a level of consciousness and intelligence similar to human beings. This type of artificial intelligence will have desires, needs, and emotions as well. To build an awareness in some robotic things in a machine, so they can decide how they will react or how they will work and what time they will work. Everything means the like the awareness like human beings. So there are the four categories of AI. Okay. Next, we will see about benefits of AI on society. How AI has benefited the society. It has also helped in customer service by providing real-time and personalized customer service. AI has also helped in the field of education by providing personalized learning experience. AI has helped in the field of finance by providing fraud detection and prevention. And AI has also helped in the field of transportation by providing autonomous vehicles. They are just few examples of how AI has benefited society. Now, these four things are basically normally used in our society. That customer services are better, and they help in the field of education, and they also help in the field of finance or in the business of the fraud detection and prevention from the harmful effects. And AI has also helped in transportations, means in vehicles. For example, there are automatic cars. First, we have to before we have to learn about gears, but then there are automatic cars who can adjust the gear or the speed by judging it. And now there are cars who can start and they can run by just a vocal. We can just say they are linked by our voice. So it is helping us in many ways. Then there is how to overcome concerns relating to AI. Now there are many concerns relating to AI, that it can be how or what we will do if our machine fail to work or respond not well. Now, there are several concerns surrounding artificial intelligence, such as uncertainty, ethical concerns, and decision making roles. However, if we embrace AI innovation and regulation with an open, inclusive, principle based, and collaborative attitude, the value AI can create could far exceed our expectations. In addition to this, there are several ways to overcome these concerns. One way is to ensure that AI is transparent and explainable to that people can understand how decisions are being made. Now, for example, if someone is coming towards you and asking about something, and you are making a solution by using AI, so how that people will understand that how you are excluding and problem solution, how a machine can make your problem solution easier, or how it can help you with your problem. So it should be understandable or explainable, that you can explain to that person. Then another way is to ensure that AI is designed with human values in mind. Now, we are searching a solution for a human. So it is really important that we keep in mind that AI should work according to human desires, or what a people can think, or what a people can do, person can do. Then finally, it is important to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly. Every machine can be a defaulter, or there are some machines that can use that are being used illegally. So by the ethical views, legally views, it is really important that you are using it in a legal way, and you're using that machine in a very responsible way, means you know how to use that to help people, or to help yourself, to help the society. So these are the main concerns that are related to AI and how we can overcome to that concerns. Now, concerns people have in relation to AI, there are several concerns people have in relation to artificial intelligence. Now, one of the most significant concern is the potential for AI to cause human extinction or some other unrecoverable global catastrophe. Now, there are some issues that can be a disaster, or that can be, for example, your thoughts. If someone needs an explanation, or they need some suggestion, now human mind can think far away, either a negative or a positive way. So AI should have potential to cause human extinction or some other unrecoverable. It cannot cause some persons a uh, error or some problem that cannot be recovered. Other risks include automation, separate job loss, privacy violations, deep fakes, algorithm bias caused by bad data, Socioeconomic inequality, market volatility, and weapons automation. They are the other risk that someone maybe lost their job, their privacy can be leaked. There can be many fake websites, you can say, or the frauds, or there can be issues with the algorithm or the data. The socioeconomic inequality can be done by that if there is some mistake, because some people do not depend on machines equally as others. For example, we can say that our older generation, our parents or our grandparents, they do not rely on machines. They don't find machines as reliable as their brains are. There is socioeconomic inequality that some can depend on it and some do not depend on AI or a machine. So, AI also presents three major areas of ethical concerns for society: privacy and surveillance, bias and discrimination, and perhaps the deepest, most difficult philosophical question of the era, the role of human judgment. That how a people is judging that machine or that problem solving method or for that situation. That is the main thing. Now, there are also concerned about AI doing something harmful to humankind. The case in point is autonomous weapons which can be programmed to kill other humans. Means there are some machines which are operated by some weapons that are operated by machines. But that is really difficult. If there is some minor default in that machine that can kill other humans. So these are the concerns of people when they are in relationship to AI. Now, the weapons concern is as harmful as the data loss information, but that cannot kill person, but the weapon can. So while when you are interacting with a weapon, or you are building a weapon, or you are controlling a weapon using AI, you should be more concerned. Is the lecture clear till this slide, or do you have any question?
It's clear.
It is clear. Okay, Zainab, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, our next topic is impact of AI. Now, what is impact of AI? What is the say that result of AI on people's life on or on today's society? How it has either disturbed or it has improved our today's living. Now, AI has been used to automate tasks that were previously done by humans, such as data entry, analysis, customer service, and even driving. This has led to increased efficiency and productivity in many industries. Now, because of AI, there are so many tasks that has been is now being done automatically, which was previously done by humans. No, because it is machine work, so many people think that machine work is more accurate than human work, because human work can vary. But what is the loss that many people has lost their jobs? That is also an other side of impact of AI, where AI has improved our living or the efficiency of working. It has also decreases the labor. People have become jobless. The person who was just sitting and he was entering the data one by one, or you can say on a registers or whatever. Now there's a person who can operate. No, there's a older person who cannot operate computer. He uses to write each and every entry by his hand. Now there's a literate person who has the knowledge about computer or the I will say the information technology. He know how to use it. No, he is not entering data. He is just voicing it, and the data entry operations are working. So one person has become jobless also. AI has also been used to develop new products and services that were not possible before. For example, AI powered chatbots can provide 24/7 customer service without the need of human intervention. Now, there are customer services which are provided by 24/7 without any need of human intervention. We can call it at any time. There are no timings. However, AI has also raised concerns about job displacement and privacy issues as AI become the most advanced and it is expected to replace many jobs that are currently done by humans. The privacy issues has been resolved and there are more concerns about job displacement and AI has become more advanced and in the future it is expected that it will replace as many as jobs that people are doing now or they are done by humans. Additionally, there are concerns about the use of AI in surveillance and data collection in army or in other positions or in other professions. AI is also being used and it is being used by data collection now. In early days people used to go each and every house and they need to collect the data, but now if we see there we can provide forms. The people can fill their forms or fill their concerns or they can vote through just sitting at home and the data will be collected that what the users or customer want. Overall, AI has had a significant impact on society and will continue to do so in the future. It is important for individuals and businesses to understand the potential benefits and risks of AI and to use it responsibly. So that is really important that you should know how about what machinery or what technologies you are going to use and how you have hold on that machine. That what if some that machine get default some issues, how will you resolve it? How will you fix that issue that your privacy will not be damaged? Then our last topic is how AI could be used in future. Now machinery or digital technology has improved in so many ways that there are automatic cars that do not need to I would say even tell the direction. You can just set up a map and you can just sit comfortably. But how in the future it can be more good? Artificial intelligence is a revolutionary field of computer sciences that is ready to become the main component of various emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and input output things, that is IoT. AI will continue to act as a technological innovator in the coming years. Investment in the artificial intelligence reached $93.5 billion. The current trend of neural networks to grow larger will likely to continue in the near future as more functionality is required. AI is an emerging field. Today, it is known as weak AI due to limitations, but the future artificial intelligence is about building strong AI. Right now, AI can beat human in some specific tasks only, but in the future, it is expected of AI to beat a human in all cognitive tasks. Now, the applications of artificial intelligence are likely to impact critical facts of our economy and society over the coming decade. We are in the early innings of what many credible experts believe will be a multi decade transformation powered by artificial intelligence. Now, there are some hints of strong AI that we can see in our movies. Uh, Recently I have gone through some movie. Now I can't remember their name, but there is a game which was played by the lens. Means you have to enter when you put on the lens, means you are in the game and you can see some certain target that you have to accomplish that a human eye cannot see. Now that is a part of a strong AI. Like we play games, video games or 3D games in our laptop or in our mobile phones, then we can play that games by sitting in our homes or by traveling. For example, if we are playing some shooting game or you can see a PUBG game that is being used by many of the persons, the people are playing. So there is a uh, I would say imaginary area that you are playing in. You are watching that area on your mobile screen or on your laptop screen. But what does that lens work? That lens work will be that your living world means even if it is your house, the people will be attacking on your house, and that is just a game. Now human eye, for example, your mother or a father will not be able to see those attackers, but you are seeing because you have that lens and you are in a game now. So AI will increase or improve in a that way that it can beat a human in all cognitive tasks. You will assume that whatever you are doing is in your real life. For example, if you are beating someone in a game, you will feel like you are beating someone in real life. You are achieving something in real life. You are gaining some points in real life. Got it? So AI could be used in future in that way. Right now, we are using AI in a limited, in a limitations. For it is a weak AI because we have some limitations. But in future, we won't be that restricted. Now, do you have any question regarding this lecture?
No.
No.
Okay. Now, Abdullah, tell me what do you mean by the term AI? What is artificial intelligence? Tell me in your words. Don't need to go through the slides.
Artificial intelligence are like robots, and they can like
AI
are
means AI is a combination of human intelligence and machine intelligence also. They work together. That is called artificial intelligence. Okay. Okay, Zainab, tell me about how many types of AI are there?
There are four types of AI.
Okay, what are they?
Uh, Limited memory, uh, reactive machines, theory of mind,
Okay, Zainab, just
and
wait. There are basically two types of AI, strong AI and weak AI. The types that you are telling me, they are the categories, how AI is distributed. Okay,
okay.
good. Okay, now who will tell me that why do you think of AI that AI is useful? How do you think? What are the ways that AI is useful?
AI useful like they can self drive the car without us driving, or they can help us on writing school things and everything.
Good. It can reduces the human work by helping us. Okay, now how AI can help us in future?
AI can.
In future, machines will be more understandable and they can do work more than human. They can do the human work and the human cognitive skills will also be beat by that AI. So the robots will be full of emotions. They can work on their own. They can sense emotions. They have the capability of all senses, and they can reduce the human work, human load. Okay. Okay, Zainab, now do you understand it?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Abdullah, what are the concerns regarding AI? What people think that there will be difficulties or issues? What are the concerns of people regarding AI?
Like robots going out of control, and
Yes, some machinery defaults. Very good. Okay, now please go through these slides also, and as well as you can search more about AI, about its useful, its uses, and how AI can help us in future. What are the more concerns, and much more. So go through these slides as well as search on your own, and I will ask more questions about this lecture also. Okay.
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 Thank you so much. Your class is end here.